check this out. It's another Saber 1000 watt hub motor, 21-hour battery. Let's do the speed test.
First, I'm gonna do the speed test right now, as usually, and see how fast it can go on throttle only. And let's go. It pick up speed very quickly. So now it's 18 on GPS, 19, 22, 23, 24, 25 on GPS, 26 on GPS, 27 on GPS, 28. So 28 on GPS, it's about 30 miles actual mileage. What I usually say, 2 miles up or 3 miles up from GPS speed. So it's easily get to 30 miles. So let's go with a pedal assist. I'll go pedal assist level 1. Actually, we'll go to the 5 right away to see how fast I can go. So it's 24 right now, 25, 26, 28, 29. So the top speed was 29 on pedal assist on GPS, which pretty quick. It's about 31 miles. As you saw already that it's pretty quick, and the brakes, I basically already tested the brakes once I stop. I can say there's a little bit improvement, but I would not say a lot. Just a little bit more better stopping power, but not a big difference between Saber and Saber Pro, just maybe 10%. That's about it. Actually, the bike handles the road now is better. I can feel the handlebar wider. It's a big difference. So I'm almost here. This is a hill. I'm gonna test it. It's actually a very steep hill. Even walking uphill is hard. So not every bicycle can make it uphill. So only Herald or Shimano bikes made it before. So let's try it and see if I can make it right now. And I will use level 5 because the throttle depends on the pedal assist. And let's go and see if the throttle only will go uphill. Oh wow, it's already 60 miles an hour, 17. So I think last time I tested it was about 9 or 6, something like that. But as long as it can make it uphill, that will tell me if the motor is still that powerful. So far it's about 8 miles, which is not bad. Just keep going. It's keep going. I already passed the mark. Some bicycle already would die. Actually, one of the bicycle burned controller on this hill and our motor. I think controller. I'll leave it below. But it's going 6 miles. But I'll do another test. Actually, I will remove these settings back to the 100% and see how fast I'll go. And actually the battery didn't even drop, and I'm still going uphill. It's about 6 miles an hour, so it's about 7 to 8, and it's still going uphill, throttle only, no help at all. Wow, it's made it. Good job. Okay. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.